In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify with CJ Dropshipping. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Head to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store and search for CJ Dropshipping. Click Install App, then create your account or sign in. This connects your store to CJ so orders can sync and be processed. Take a moment to confirm the permissions so the app can read your orders and update them later with tracking. Next, go to Orders in your Shopify admin and focus on the Unfulfilled tab. This shows you what still needs attention. Choose one order you want to process and open it. Review the product and the customer's shipping details to make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. A quick check here helps prevent delays. From the order page, look for the option to check order status in CJ Dropshipping. If you see it, click through. If you don't, simply log into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard in a new tab. In CJ, go to Store Orders. Here, you'll find the orders that have synced from Shopify. Locate the same order you just reviewed. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Syncing can take a moment. Open the order in CJ to process it. Select the correct product, confirm the shipping address and method, and submit the order for fulfillment. Double check the details before submitting. Address, variant, and quantity should match what you saw in Shopify. If the order still isn't appearing in CJ, use the Sync Store Orders option. Choose your Shopify store and run a manual sync. This prompts CJ to pull in any recent orders that haven't shown up automatically. Now keep an eye on the order status in CJ. You'll typically see statuses like awaiting payment, processing, and shipped. Once it moves to shipped, a tracking number will be generated. Copy that tracking number so you can update Shopify. Back in Shopify, open the same order and add the tracking number. Shopify will notify the customer automatically using your store's standard email template so they'll know their package is on the way. Finally, mark the order as fulfilled in Shopify and confirm the status updates successfully. If you like, you can also send a quick note to the customer with the tracking link or any helpful delivery tips, though Shopify usually covers this with the automatic notification. That's it. Your order is now fulfilled. CJ Dropshipping handles production and shipping, while Shopify keeps your customer updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.